Okay, let's explain to ourselves the integral test. Have you ever wondered what the integral test is? You have, because you've been forced to wonder. But you've wondered nonetheless. So, the integral test says that if you have a function, f, which is decreasing, so it's getting smaller and smaller and smaller with time, it is positive, and it is continuous, then this function, f of x, you can integrate this function. You can integrate this function from 1 to infinity and find out if this converges or diverges. And in the case when this function meets these conditions, and that function has the same formula as some sequence, a sub n, if you then have a series containing that sequence, a sub n, which has the same formula as f of x, and also goes from 1 to infinity, then this series also converges, or also diverges, based on whatever happens to the function with the same formula as a series that meets these conditions. But notice that if this converges to, say, the number 5, that doesn't necessarily mean that this series converges to the number 5. It just means that the series converges. So the integral test is used to find out if something converges or diverges, but not what it converges to.